Hi everyone, welcome back. Francis here. I thought today I'd talk about mermaids, okay? I thought I'd talk about their biology and life cycles and also the magical mermaid dust they use as well for the magic, a bit like fairy dust. Only kidding, this is something my 7-year-old daughter made, which I like. I'm not really going to talk about mermaids at all. Mermaids don't exist. So we're going to go lecture next one on atomic theory, okay? Last time you may remember from previous video I mentioned number of protons equals number of electrons in the basic atom, okay? So I'm going to carry on from where that left off. The elements are all arranged in the periodic table. Which periodic table, okay, which I don't have one to hand stupidly, but you'll know what those look like. Starting with hydrogen, followed by helium. That's 1, 2, and then lithium, beryllium, 4, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? That's the order in the periodic table, and it carries on, etc., okay? So the atomic number, each of these numbers is the atomic number, okay? These numbers is the atomic number, okay? The equals the number of protons, okay? So, for example, that element, which is sodium, contains 11 protons, okay? So atomic number 11. Okay? So write the symbol 11 there, okay? We know the atom's neutral, so since atom is neutral, you've got the overall mass of sodium. I'll say each atom, I had you right, each atom has a mass, okay? So sodium is mass 23, okay? It's actually, I can't do a comma, 22.9 according to the periodic tables. So given that this is the mass of the nucleus, okay? So the mass 23 equals the mass of the nucleus, okay? Hope that's clear. That's the mass of the nucleus. So if the mass of the nucleus is 23, and we take away 11 protons, okay? 23 minus 10 is 13 minus 1 is 12. So that equals 12, okay? Which is equal to the number of neutrons, okay? So we know that, as I said before, the nucleus of all atoms is made of protons plus neutrons, okay? and they give the mass. Okay? So when you're coming to writing out electron arrangement, to write the electron arrangement, I'm running a space there. So the electron arrangement okay, for sodium, okay, electrons arranged so that the inner shell, they're arranged in shells. I showed hydrogen before. I showed was a single, this was hydrogen, okay, a single plus and a single electron, okay. The sodium, the electrons are in shells, okay? The shells fill, so you get first shell contains 2 electrons. The second shell has 8, okay? This is maximum. Second fill, shells fill, okay? First 2 electrons max, okay? Second is 8 electrons. Maximum, okay? 2, 8, 18, 32. Third, okay, is 18 electrons. That's all you need to know, okay? You don't need to worry about this one. For nat 5 anyway. So, when you're doing sodium, the first shell is 2 electrons, okay? The second shell can be 8 in total, okay? But then we know it's got 11, because the number of protons equals the number of electrons, and there's a total of 11 protons, there must also be 11 electrons, okay? So, as the number of protons equals number of electrons, okay? So 11 must be equal to 11. So 2 and 8 is 10, so the third shell must have 1. So that equals a total of 11, 8, 9, 10, 11 electrons, okay? So this is the electron arrangement of sodium. I hope that's clear. So I'll go over it again. You got number of electrons equals number of protons. Number of protons equals the atomic number. Okay? Number of atomic number equals number of protons, okay? And sodium has 11 protons. We know the mass is 23, near enough, okay? So 23, stay up there, annoying sheets of paper. 23 minus 11 equals 12, which is the number of neutrons, okay? To work out the electron arrangement, the first shell can take a maximum of 2 electrons, second shell maximum of 8 electrons, third shell 18, okay? But you don't need to worry about these ones. And you don't need to worry about the fourth, that's the fourth, you don't need to worry about that. So for sodium, you know the first shell is 2 electrons, second shell is 8, but there's a total of 11 electrons, so the fourth one must have 1. Okay? I'll quickly do carbon, quickly. Carbon is 6, okay? So its first one is 2, and the second shell is 4. Okay? Nitrogen has 7. So the first shell is 2, and the second shell is 5. okay? Oxygen has 8, okay? So the first shell is 2, second shell is 6, okay? Fluorine has 9. So first shell is 2 and the second one is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7, okay? And then neon, the inert gas, is 10. So the first shell is 2 and the second shell is 8. Okay, they're both completely full up. Okay, so that's how you work out the electron arrangements of elements. I'll carry on next time. Cheers. Good night. Oh, could you please please subscribe, like, comment and press the bell. Help me get to 50 subscribers. Thank you. Please support my channel. Subscribe, like, comment and press bell. And help me get to 50. Once we get to 50, I'll aim for 100. Thank you very much. Good night.